Hi, and welcome back to another demo of ARGOS Cloud Security, where I want to show you what you can do after you've done an Entra ID one-off assessment, as I've shown you in one of the previous demo videos. We've just received our email with the download link to the report. It's always a Word file, so you can edit it to your liking. Bit of an overview. Our executive summary that gives us an overview of what was found, key findings, critical vulnerabilities like excessive permissions on Entra ID applications and service principals. There was also a user that didn't have a conditional access policy on it, so we can very quickly and easily get an overview of what was actually found as part of that assessment. Bit of a recommendations roadmap and a conclusion. There's lots of detailed findings in this report that you can then read through in your own time. But going back into ARGOS itself, within the detections tab, we can filter down for the tenant that we've just scanned and sort by score here on the right, and so these are the most critical ones down to the lower criticalities. And for example, we can find the one that is excluded. So this demo user is excluded from a conditional access policy. We explain why this is an issue, and here we can see it's in this tenant, this user, and everything that is associated with that user. So that user is part of the global reader role, a couple of groups, and all of these conditional access policies, either directly or via groups, indirectly. These are all somehow related to this user, and as a customer or as a consultant, you can now tell your customers, look, these are the policies you need to look at because these are either via the groups or directly excluding this user for some reason. And as a global reader, this user really has a high degree of access to your tenant, can read a lot of PII potentially, and you really want to shut this down and fix this. So as always, these are the diagrams that you get for every single one of these detections. You can download these diagrams and edit them in your editor if you like, but you can also go and just download all of these detections here into whatever format you like after potentially you filtered them by certain tags, etc. So very quick overview of what you can do after you've run the assessment, because just running the assessment, the work isn't done. Now you need to look at each of these findings, or at least the higher criticality ones, and then work on fixing them. So thank you very much. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.